Today, let's explore another essential timer in Siemens PLCs, the TP timer, or pulse timer. This timer is perfect when you need a fixed pulse output, no matter how long the input stays on. Let's look at two quick scenarios to see how it works. In the first scenario, the input goes from 0 to 1, and then back to 0 before the preset time ends. Here's what happens. When the input turns on, the TP timer starts, and the Q output goes high immediately. Even if the input turns off early, the Q output stays on for the full preset time and then turns off automatically. Pretty handy, right? In the second scenario, the input goes from 0 to 1 and stays on. Just like before, the TP timer sends a pulse. Q turns on right away. After the 5-second preset time, Q turns off. Even though the input is still on, nothing else happens until the input turns off and on again. That's it for the TP timer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical Siemens tutorials.